Good afternoon. I'm here at my blog to talk to you today about social bookmarking and its benefits. In particular, I'd like to talk to you about Diigo. Diigo is a powerful social bookmarking tool you can use to tag, catalog information, and pages on the internet to use later. Instead of storing files on your computer, Diigo allows you to save important websites and access them on any computer. I'm going to show you my Diigo account. Here I've embedded a Diigolet, and I won't get into the installation. It's very simple. I'm going to take you to my library. You can see in my library I have some web pages, articles, and videos that I've saved. You can also see the articles I've annotated. I'm going to go in here to Filter, Annotated, and these are the articles that I have annotated. Now these are the tags I have set up for each article so that I can easily search by tags. ADHD is something that I've done a lot of research on, and so within the annotation filter, these are the ADHD articles that I have annotated. So let's go ahead and do a search so I can show you some of the tools and how this works. I'm going to go into an article. This is something very interesting about ADD, dyslexia, and auditory processing disorders and how they overlap. And let's say that I'm doing another project in another class, so I'd like to go here to my Diigolet and let's do a screenshot. So this is something that I'd like to capture. This is an image that I might use. I can change the shape of it. I can add text, an arrow. If you do something wrong, which I often do, you can undo it. But I'd like to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to save it as a standalone item. Okay, so it says upload is successful. And here in my little Diigolet in my library, you will find that here is the image that I've downloaded. So this can be a very useful way of not only cataloging what you've read, but also sharing things that you've read. You can go into an article. Again, let's look at the same article. And let's say I'm looking down here and I find something about processing disorders. And that looks very interesting, but I don't have time to read this right now. So I'd like to save this for later. So I'm going to go into my Diigolet and click Read Later. And then it's going to show up in to Read Later. View Filter. Unread. You'll see this is the article that I've just put in here to read later. So there are many. You can see the tags, you can see the annotations. Again, a way to connect socially. I have actually connected my Twitter account here. And here are the articles. Well, there's no unread articles, but if I go back into my library under Twitter, here are some tweets that I have. So anytime I tweet something, it's going to be loaded into my Diigo library as well. This can make reading a very social and interactive activity, and also one you can use in the classroom. So I hope you've enjoyed this short lesson today, and I hope that you will explore this great social bookmarking tool for yourself. Thank you.